Hello everybody, just wanted to give a quick update. Today may not get a good video up, just we're harvesting a lot of stuff. Just got done with the onions. This is onion central. I'm about to get on the potatoes. I'll show the potatoes after I get those in the potato container. And then we've got to shell and can the pinto beans. See here, the pinto beans are done and up, except for one row. That will be saved for another day because they're not quite ready yet. For tomorrow, I think I'm going to do a wash video of the 2003 Maytag, which is in this workshop. So stay tuned for that. That ought to be a good one. I got a request from a YouTube user. I will research that and put the name in the video tomorrow, so look forward to that. Thanks. Let's dig some potatoes. A little while later, potatoes are finished being harvested. These will go along with the rest of them in the house already. I have my okra seeds soaking so they'll sprout faster. About ready to start planting those. Here is a look at my potato racks this year. This is my 2022 potato harvest. Not bad at all. All 4 shelves are full, so life is good. Many hours later, I finally got this project done. We are now converted into the summer garden, with a few minor exceptions here and there. I've got black-eyed peas on these rows with trellis. I've put the mulch in from the leaves of last year. That'll be my mulch, and then I will turn that in during the winter time, and the soil should be ready to go come spring. I've got okra planted here on these rows. A couple of heads of cabbage left for some family members, but they're not going to be able to get it for a few more days, so I just left them in the ground. And then a few more carrots. And then back here are my sweet potatoes. And then I've got okra planted along that retainer wall all the way across where I had the onions. All the way down to the almost to the fence there. And then next will be the harvest of these wax beans and Roma beans. And I can plant some more okra in here. I've got okra planted all in here where I had the potatoes. So I should have a good supply of okra if everything works out. So that's just a quick update of what's happened today, and we'll get back to a washer video tomorrow if everything works out. So thanks for watching.